That's all cleaned up. So this will eventually be for the flyers. Eventually, plenty of room. It's actually pretty warm in here considering it's winter now. It's pretty good. Fence pavings do the job. And had to put that there because cats were coming through. That's the only reason why that's there. And they were still finding their way in the side, so I had to do that as well. That's all secure. A couple of heavy bricks and concrete slabs that the bloody cat can't get to. So yeah, this would be eventually for flyers. I'll probably put the tippers there and whatever's gonna fly eventually. Yeah, it's good and warm, that's what it's about, especially now. But at the moment, I've just got these two pairs here. Get these ones get paired. They'll get paired easily. And this pair is already paired, but I can't put it on the other side. I already tried until a certain pair, young ones growing, can eat and get out of the nest, because that boy wants to go to his old nest bowl, which is where the other birds have the young ones, making trouble. So I can't put flyers yet here until the young ones over there grow up. In about 2-3 weeks. Yeah, they're going to get paired quickly. So that hen is Vesaline, touch of Tomish, and that boy is from a black 7-hour flyer hen and a blue massive boy that I had with the pearl eyes, which is definitely going to make some nice birds together. And then eventually I will put her to a saddleback boy. At the moment he's with a silver hen. They do have a young one at the moment. So I thought, let's see what they do. This bird was born probably like 4 days before I went overseas. As I put the, maybe more, probably about 6-7 days. Because I remember putting the gold ring on it. Because when I came back, he already had the gold ring. I was like, yeah, that's the bird. Because when I did come back, I forgot about it. But yeah, glad it survived. Wish it was a male, but it's a hen. But it's great because I can put it to the original boy, Vesaline, and then later on we'll see what we put this one with. It's got nice beard, pointy crest though. Yeah, I reckon it'll be some nice birds. But yeah, these two are gonna make some nice blue and silvers. But yeah, just can't breed them yet, unfortunately. Probably in 3-4 weeks I can chuck them in the other side, and he's definitely going to kick the other pair out. But it's okay, other people will find another spot. At least it doesn't affect the babies and all that. It's a big fella.